Welcome back to Harbro Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have, it's our once in a blue moon. I try to do these more often, as long as I'm finding deals, but it's our best Amazon finds on tools, and then just a variety of things that I think are great deals that I would recommend. Just so everyone knows, I use the tracker camel. Everything that I'll show here will be linked in the description, and it should be at its best price, because I wouldn't recommend getting anything unless it's at its best price or at its deepest discount, which I think a lot of people don't necessarily do. They just put up a bunch of Amazon links and tell you to buy it. Anyways, I'll get off my pedestal. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing, and we'll jump right in. We have some really good deals, starting with the CRAFTSMAN screwdriver set by material, 8-piece set, 49% off, $14.98. Seems like a steal of a deal. A little less than $2 per screwdriver. Although there is a screwdriver sale going on, parking lot sale next week. But this CRAFTSMAN name brand, gotta let you know, best price on Amazon. Continue. This Smith & Wesson Benji 2.5-inch high carbon SS folding keychain knife. A keychain knife. Say what? 1.75-inch modified Tonto blade. G10 handle for outdoor tactical survival, EDC black. EDC black. There's only 27 minutes left, so I'm going to try to upload this as quickly as possible. If you want this deal, 58% off. Crazy. Another great deal. Wiha 7-piece insulated industrial pliers and screwdriver set, 44% off. It is $77.28, but it's its best price on Amazon. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about $10 per pliers or screwdrivers. That's crazy. And it's insulated. That is a great deal. It is at its best price on Amazon in a long time. Must get there if you're interested. I guess not must get. And then we have these TEKTON high torque black oxide blade nut driver set, 6-piece, 7 to 10 millimeters, 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch, made in the USA. Lowest price in 30 days. Gotta love seeing that. 35% off, $20.80. And it seems like these other ones are also on sale. The 5-piece for $18.20, this one for $20.80, and then the other 6-piece for $20.80. Greenworks 40V 20-inch cordless electric lawnmower plus the 40V sweeper, and the 4-amp 2-amp-hour battery chargers included for $283. I checked this. It's even deeper than it was when they were doing all the lawnmower sales a month or so ago. This is the lowest price that it's been. Good time to pick it up. I'm assuming they're trying to sell them because winter is coming. The White Walkers. Next, cold steel, black Talon, 4-inch razor sharp blade, 5.5-inch, $80, 57% off. More Greenworks, the 40V cordless brushless leaf blower, plus a vacuum bag with high power, lightweight, quiet yard debris cleanup. Includes 5-amp-hour battery and charger, $180, 28% off. And we have CRAFTSMAN V20 pole chainsaw cordless tool only, $110. I forget what the price is at Lowe's, but I was looking at this recently. 16% off, $109, 16% off. Estwing 4-pound hard-faced sledgehammer 12-inch indestructible handle. I'm going to test that. I'm not. I wish, though. Locked steel head, vulcanized rubber grip for demolition and stake driving. What a hammer. $62.30. 21% off, limited time deal, best price on Amazon. Moving a little bit away from tools, Philips Norelco Multigroom series for beard, body, face, nose, ear, everything, $69.96, 22% off. Igloo BMX hard coolers, $67.23, 48% off for the 25-quart. Next, PrepWorks 4-piece kitchen prep knife sets. Every once in a while, you're going to need some new knives at your house. The reason I have it here is lowest price in 30 days. 35% off, $8.49. Ninja Frost Vault 50-quart hard cooler with dry zone, 30% off, $174.95. They have this cooler backpack, 36 cans, multifunctional leak-proof cooler backpack with padded top handle mesh pocket for camping barbecue, 33% off at $26.86. Then we have 2-piece folding camping chairs, portable outdoor heavy-duty padded chairs, 450-pound support. That is excellent. That can hold 2 people. Limited time deal, 17% off, $58.22. So it's basically like a little less than $30 per chair, which is solid. Rechargeable headlamp, ultra bright 5 LED headlamp, red white light. Limited time deal, 24% off, $12.99. Then we have Nico. They make everything. Toilet plunger with patented all-angle design. And if you don't have a plunger, you're going to have a good plunger. You need a plunger in your bathroom just in case it gets clogged. 53% off, $8.89. What a deal. Then these, I personally recommend almost, not every time, but every chance I get. These are close to the lowest price they've been. They've been cheaper maybe once before in the last 10 years, but this is super close. $30.30, 34% off. These are the triple A's on a loop rechargeable batteries. The nickel metal hydride, they're pre-charged. They last years. It's basically the only battery I use in my electronics, controllers, everything, toys for the kids. And they last. You recharge them and you don't have to keep buying and wasting batteries. But these are excellent. The best battery. Check Project Farm. He'll recommend these too. Next, Hello Kitty Funko Pop. It's Hello Kitty. It's $12. It's 20% off. Best price. It's a great toy for the kids or if you're collecting it. And Jane Austen gift set. Classic literature. Bloom 3-book collection. 59% off. This is why it's here. 59% off. $20.97. And then the other side of the coin. Tolkien Myths Legends box. But it says Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, which is just classic literature. The Legend of Sigurd and Gudrun. The Fall of Author, Beowulf. I guess Tolkien did his own flavor and translation of these stories, which is super interesting. Tolkien, of course, wrote The Lord of the Rings. Anyways, 59% off, $51 limited time deal. And then this live in Prague, Hans Zimmer. This is Blu-ray, $28.15. I've purchased the electronic version of this on Prime. Interesting side note, I've gone to see Hans Zimmer at Coachella, and it was the greatest concert I've ever seen. Anyways, limited time deal, 20% off. Hans Zimmer, he did the scores for Gladiator, Dark Knight Trilogy, The Lion King, Inception, Interstellar, Pirates of the Caribbean, The Da Vinci Code. Great, great music. $28.15. Then we have Tommy Bluey's bath toys, 50% off. At 50% off, and some bath toys. It's just an incredible deal, $7. And then Lego Art Milky Way Galaxy building set. This is very pricey. And I think it was $3 away from its best price. But I haven't seen Legos like this. And that would be a blast to build with the kids. But still a little pricey, $191.54. And then we have another book series, Wicked series box set. Wicked Son of a Witch, Out of Oz, Lion Among Men. Also 61% off for the paperback, $31.45. Just a super steep discount. Then another discount, the G-Skyer, as how you say, G-Skyer telescope, 70mm aperture, mount astronomical refracting telescope for kids, beginner travel telescope with carry bag, phone adapter, and wireless remote, which is pretty cool. I can't vouch for this one, but I imagine, supposedly, at least here in California skies at night, Saturn is very visible right now, or hopefully we haven't passed too much, but it's been visible for the last week. And at $78, 40% off for a telescope that you can at least look at the moon, do some stargazing. Excellent deal. $78.25. And then more Lego Creator 3-in-1 Space Shuttle toys, space toys, building sets for boys and girls ages 6 and up, $6.36. 36% off, just an excellent discount. And then a smart drawer organizer. Shows 11% off, $11.63. Get an extra $3 off if you use the coupon price to organize your drawers. Anyways, that is what we have. Hopefully you find these useful as well. Let me know your feedback on the Amazon. I know it's not Harbor Freight, but I still think I'd like to share every deal that I find with you because it could be possible savings for you. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.